Today's video, I'm going to show you how to create private name servers in Godaddy. Whether you're managing a business website or just running a personal project, setting up private name servers gives you more control and flexibility over your domain. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, log into your Godaddy account and head over to the Products page. This is where you'll see all your domains, hosting, and other services connected to your account. From here, select the DNS option next to the domain you want to manage. Now, a quick refresher, DNS stands for Domain Name System. It's basically the tool that translates human-friendly domain names into IP addresses, so browsers know where to find your website. That's why getting this part right is so important. Once you're in your domain's DNS management page, scroll down until you find the Name Servers section. Click on Change Name Servers. By default, Godaddy uses its own name servers, but since we're creating private ones, you'll need to select the option that says, I'll use my own name servers. This is the key step that unlocks full control over your domain. Next, click Add Name Server. Here's where you create your custom entries. Typically, you'll add something like ns1.yourdomain.com. 2.yourdomain.com. You can adjust the naming to match your setup, but having at least two is standard practice for redundancy and reliability. After you've entered them, save your changes. Depending on your setup, you may also need to register these name servers with the corresponding IP addresses through your hosting provider, so be sure to double-check that step if required. And that's it. You've successfully created your private name servers in Godaddy. This gives you greater autonomy over your DNS management, helps streamline performance, and even adds a more professional touch to your domain's infrastructure. Thanks for following along. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more website management tutorials, and drop a comment if you have any questions. I'll be happy to help.